How to fix Instagram story saved audio music option not showing. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can fix this issue. The first thing you want to do is launch open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search Instagram. Find the option of update. Select that. Now update the application to the latest version. After it has been updated, launch open Instagram and check if your problem is fixed. If not, then launch open your device settings, then tap on apps. Now scroll through this list of application and you want to find the option of Instagram. Now find the option of storage, select that. Here you should find the option clear cache, tap on that. Once you do that, now check if your problem is solved. Open Instagram and check. If it is still not solved, then you simply want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Here, scroll all the way down and find the option of help. Now select report a problem. On this box, you simply want to type in that Instagram story saved audio music option is not showing on your profile. Then attach these screenshots over here as well. After that, you simply want to send this. Now Instagram support team will fix this issue and then contact you back. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.